Yeah, I'll react to that, sure. Rudest, filthiest, most disgusting jokes from 8 out of 10 cats. Kill. I need a new background. It's time. Like, I need to clean the whole room and move everything around and put some posters up from useful charts and make it more cozy. How you doing? Good. The original link to the video, top of the description. Below that, link to the Discord. Would love to have you. Click on it. Send it right over there. Makes it easier to, what was I talking about? Discord? Oh, yeah, just join. Love to have you. Let's go.
Got a new watch. Do you think it looks nice?
Yeah, it looks nice, yeah.
So it's a smartwatch.
It's a smartwatch.
Yes, if I've gone for some exercise, it predicts what I've been doing. So if I go for a run, it says, oh, did you go for a run? And it's quite accurate. Go for a swim. Oh, did you do 20 minutes of swimming? When I have a wank, it thinks I'm playing volleyball. It's quite aggressive, isn't it, volleyball? Pops up on the phone. Did you do 12 minutes of volleyball at 1 a.m.? I don't remember doing that.
I thought he was going to say, like, oh, you finished 5...
Just before...
Did you do 12 minutes of volleyball at 1 a.m.?
I don't remember doing that just before bed, but...
Worse the other way around if you're a volleyball player, like a professional, and your watch keeps going, another wank.
Nish once went to see the film Shame with his dad, but said the graphic sex made it very awkward. Everyone in the cinema asked them to stop.
Hi, Dad!
OK, Nish.
Hello.
First time on the show. Are you going to be better on the numbers or the letters?
I think it's going to be letters. I think I'm a man of words, because I spent half my time at university studying English.
What did you do the other half?
I was captain of the school's kissing team.
Guys, I haven't seen either of these two guys we just saw, and I like both of them.
Captain of the school's kissing team. Done a lot of practice at home with your dad, I would imagine.
She's written 13 books, presented numerous TV shows and edited the dictionary. Impressive stuff. But just imagine how much more she could have achieved if she hadn't spent quite so much time chasing cock. So, 10 years on Countdown, how did you celebrate?
I posted loads of filth over the last 10 years from Countdown. Regular Countdown.
Regular Countdown filth?
Yeah, so things that have popped up on the board, like FU penises, B vaginas, cum budgie.
Cum budgie?
Yeah, you know, you're a cum budgie.
Hey.
That's got Jimmy's nod of approval.
Ma'am?
Suitably smutty.
I'm not saying Rachel wears dresses that are too short, but when she's doing the numbers round, you can almost see her workings out. Sounds much ruder than it is.
Am I overthinking it?
That are too short, but when she's doing the numbers round, you can almost see her workings out.
I don't get the... Someone explain that to me. Was that just mean, like, you can see her...
This is a number of things I've gathered from the beach, and this is an ecological message, and it's entirely made from condoms that have washed up. I've written it, spelled out in the condoms. You can see that. There are actually fewer fish in the sea than you think. And that's both a message about the fleeting nature of love, which is why I've used the condoms as the medium for this piece, and of course because the condoms are choking the wildlife of our seas. So it's both a literal message about the fact that if you're gonna use a condom, and you absolutely should, just... And I don't really know what you do with them.
Swallow them straight away after.
You see, this is what I hate about art. I'm so annoying when it comes to art. But, like, that legitimately, if you're trying to make some kind of message or paint or image about some, you know, like the human condition with sex and the mind and used, like, dispensed used condoms to, like, make a picture, that'd be like, oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh, that's why art is just like, no, just draw me a building, okay?
They're choking the wildlife of our seas. So it's both a literal message about the fact that if you're gonna use a condom, and you absolutely should, just... And I don't really know what you do with them.
Swallow them straight away after.
Like a chewy oyster.
C. And another consonant, please. N.
Unicorn.
And another. T.
This isn't another one. I laughed so hard because of Jimmy's reaction.
It's hard for me to watch you on a screen because usually when I'm doing that, I have to shut the curtains.
Susie, have you ever had a disagreement with Rachel?
No, we're good friends, Rachel and I. The only time I could ever remember Rachel being a little bit miffed is because we swap bras sometimes, and I think you thought I had lost one of her bras.
We don't swap bras. Susie.
OK, I borrow bras.
Susie just comes in and she's never got a bra to wear. We do 15 shows and it's always just, can I just borrow your bra again?
Am I asleep right now?
It's not just bras though, it's any kind of undergarments, whether it's a slip or a skirt or a little t-shirt. Just mix it all.
This is too much for me, I can't do this.
God, even I'm getting a steady.
Swear.
Swear?
Yeah, like fucking shit, piss, flap.
Shit.
Ooh. Thank you, Joe.
I mean, just underline the word penis.
I think I just have to play it safe, Jimmy. 5 I'm going for.
You're going for 5? What are you up to?
I can't believe we're clapping spunk.
Susie lives a simple life and
Guys,
doesn't yearn
spunk
for...
is different for us. Like, I have a lot of spunk. Like, like if you're going for an audition and like you're like, oh, so excited, like I'm ready to go, I'm doing this, it means like you got a lot of spunk, like you're spunky, you know? So
spunk.
But I know over there it means
and doesn't yearn for materialistic things. In fact,
men
most of her salary goes on books, potted plants, and treats for her pet dog. The rest she spends on crack, male strippers, and replacing worn-out equipment in her sex dungeon. So what's the most common question you get asked then?
Don't know if this... I have been asked this twice this year already, which is quite a common question, and that is... One of them was from quite an elderly lady, and she said, what does the G stand for in G-spot?
What does it stand for?
It stands for a guy called, I think it's Greifenberg, who was the lucky guy who found it.
It's interesting, because do you know...
Because you've written a book about this, haven't you?
There's a woman called Beverly Whipple who actually discovered it and didn't want it named after her. It was going to be called Whipple's Tickle, and she didn't want her name used on it. And there's no part of the vagina that's named after a person that isn't named after a man.
Yeah.
Whipple's a much better name.
Yeah.
I've got another good vagina fact.
Yeah.
Go on, then.
This show just got excellent.
Apparently, the G-spot isn't actually a real thing, but the clitoris is like 10 centimetres long.
Wow, OK.
And isn't it true it was originally called the clitoris?
The guy that found it.
The guy called Chris who found it first.
New discovery.
I was actually in lower 6 with him. Yeah, he's a good bloke.
Lower 6?
OK, and in charge of the numbers, it's Rachel Riley. Rachel's clitoris is 10 centimetres long. That might be a small penis, Rachel. We need to talk.
Fun fact, female hyenas... Never mind.
Now.
Stubby. I got nothing.
OK, John, how many?
7.
James, how
Okay, it's
many?
not Jimmy.
Gonna put the candle down. I got 7.
7.
Hey, nice ass, though.
Sean, how many?
6.
Can't take your eyes off it, can you, Sean?
Wish I had one like that. Instead of this monster.
Victoria, how many?
I mean, I'm incredibly distracted.
Yeah.
Why?
It's a lovely shower cap, isn't it?
I mean,
James.
Victoria, how many?
I'll say 7. I don't know if it's a word. I don't know if I'm saying words now. It's a funny place to have a piercing.
I'm going to get my dressing gown. Hang on.
I've done this show 3 times. That's happened twice.
Really very intelligent, Rachel. But I watch a lot of Countdown, and every week you stand there for 30 seconds with a marker pen and all that paper, and you have never drawn a cock and balls on that.
I'll do the sum, and then in the 30 seconds I'll see how far I get with the cock and ball.
How cocky is it to do? I'll get the sum right, then you've got your cock and ball.
We're going to get the work done and then the fun stuff. Done and then the fun stuff.
Okay. Okay, that's distracting. Okay, I got this. 7 times 8 is 56. I got cock. It, 5, 4, 3. Nice job, Rachel.
Coming out.
A bit more exciting for me.
It's numbers.
Children know at least one obscene word by the age of 2, but that's only if you consider the words poo and willy obscene, which they are if you do what I do with them. Good having you here, Stephen. The last time I saw hair that curly, it was poking out my girlfriend's knickers.
Can I only apologise?
Stephen Magan! Could you not say boring things? During the show, because we're trying to make it entertaining.
I've got one left.
Yeah, give me one more.
Laying on him, Dent.
Do you want to come at me first?
What have you got over there?
The script I'm auditioning for.
Oh, fair enough.
This one's a romantic comedy. I play one of the lovers in it, but I need someone to test me on my lines. Lord Lycett, would you do me this honour?
Yeah?
Pass that along. Gratitude.
Sean, I have feelings for you.
What's me line?
As do I.
Right, I'm never going to remember that. Change it to bastard. Action.
Sean, I have feelings for you.
Bastard.
I need to feel your body against mine.
Bosom.
Bastard.
It says here they kiss.
Right.
Be gentle.
Passionate. Okay. John.
John.
No, we're not.
Oh, Jesus Christ. John.
Now we're done.
Alan might not be an expert on the correct use of punctuation, but there's not a lot you can teach him about what to do with a semi and a colon.
I love bollocks because it's just useful. And the reason I love it particularly is because the BBC do this kind of list of top offensive words. They do a kind of countdown. And bollocks is number 8. And it is under prick and above arsehole.
What's number 6?
Wanker. Which is a bit weird.
Well, I only asked.
You've been around for some of the all-time greats of Countdown. How do you think our contestants compare this evening? You're openly laughing in their faces.
No, as long as they go for length. Length is important.
Would anyone like to blow my horn?
Stop. Suave. S-U-A-V-E. Private. P-R-I-V-A-T-E. Privates. P-R-I-V-A-T-E-S.
Do you want me to have a go?
You can have a go if you want. Oh, I'll get that clean for you. Hang on.
So what do you do then?
Well, I mean, I'm not great at it.
Oh, do you like...
Okay, what are you doing, man? No.
Everyone looking.
Do you want to play along for fun, sort of personal battle between us?
No, I'm fine.
You could play for Claude.
Why would I do that? 'Cause I've already got him. Just check. I've already got her.
Are you playing along with Miles for fun?
But not for Claude, no.
Oh, right. Oh, fuck it, money in the ground.
Tell you what. I won't spit on you when we're having sex tonight.
Well, no deal then.
I like trying it without spit.
I'm wiping the tear out my eye. Oh, Sean's just very kindly offered not to spit on one of our guests.
I feel like that's what he sounds like normally.
Oh, Sean's just very kindly offered not to spit on one of our guests.
That's a nice thing.
No, it's not. There's more friction and... Guys, I am straight, all right? There's nothing wrong with me. I'm saying a lot of words. Hope you guys are doing well. Chin up if not. You'll be good soon. Don't worry. See you guys next time. Bye, guys. Jesus Christ.